Hello friends, now we have to focus on once again social aspect. Up to now we have I think learn about unethical practices within the advertising. So I think you got that somehow. Now we have to go for social aspects of advertising, basically on our cultural values, the impact of advertising on cultural values. Once again, every coin has a two sides and they're also positive and negative. So friends, we have to learn about here what kind of positive impact created through advertisements on our cultural values as well as what kind of negative impact. I told you every coin two sides and positive भी पड़ता है और negative भी पड़ता है. So we have to learn both the sides because advertising is that kind of sector or that kind of world which learn or teach us in a different manner, teach us positive way also and negative way also. We experience that, so we have to see that how it will take in place. Now here, while we have to consider positive influence of advertising on Indian values and culture, first consider about what is culture there. Culture, our ethics, of course we are ethical people. Culture, our mannerism. Culture, our tradition. Culture, our beliefs. Culture, that means how you have to behave, your good behavior along with the other person, and that is our culture. These are our Indian values, our tradition, which we said that. हम लोग सेक्स अपील को ज्यादातर सहन नहीं कर पाते हैं because our Indian culture is something very different. But while such kind of advertisement, while you have seen in the X परफ्यूम का एडवर्टाइजमेंट, अगर आप लोग फॉरेन कंट्रीज में देखते हो तो उन लोग देखते भी नहीं है, वो लोग सोचते हैं यार ये तो इन जनरल रेगुलर है, उनको कुछ लगेगा भी नहीं. बट हम लोगों को फैमिली में साथ में रह के हम लोग नहीं देख पाते हैं. दैट इज अवर इंडियन कल्चर. We are different people. We think that we have to respect our elder people, and that's why we don't want to say such kind of thing with the family or along with the family. So that is our Indian values and culture. So obviously we have to learn that how this advertising create here positive impact on our Indian values and cultural values. So that we have to see here. See, many of the advertisement actually provide here education, knowledge. These are basically social advertising, which we have seen here. The first one, that is a public service advertising, means wear helmet. See the way they have to show here. Actually everyone know that how the snail sign. Snail actually symbol here for the slow drive. Okay, वो slow चलती है. तो इसके लिए उन्होंने क्या किया कि wear helmet, drive slow and go safely. Very nice advertisement, but create here very good impact. Even I want to share one more advertisement along with you. आप लोगों ने पता नहीं शायद ये देखी भी होगी. गणपति जी का आइडल, in front of that there is once again another wear helmet करके एडवर्टाइजमेंट था. एंड वहां पे एक स्टेटमेंट लिखा गया था, if you are not wearing helmet you don't get such kind of another head. एंड हेड गणपति जी को साइन किया गया था वहां पे, कि दिखाया गया था, दर्शाया गया था कि गणपति जैसा हेड अपने को नहीं मिलेगा. क्योंकि गणपति का हेड जब शिव जी ने काटा था तो उन्होंने एलिफेंट का हेड लाके उनके ऊपर बिठा दिया और गणपति जी हो गए. बट अगर मेरा हेड चला जाता है तो कोई मुझे गणपति जैसे वाला या कोई भी एनिमल का हेड नहीं लगा सकता. सो दैट इज हियर. So very nice way such advertisements taken place here. टाटा कंपनी also provide here advertisement कि एक पर्सन अगर एक झाड़ लगाता है तो 1000 people can plant here 1000 plants, and because of that we will get here greenery and we have to go for more and more good forest. That way public service advertisements are there. So it's create here one positive impact on our cultural values. They teach us good cultural values. So that is there. अगर हम लोग ये second ad देखते हैं, which is supporting here our Ayurvedas and herbal product, because Indian culture is basically depend on these Ayurvedas and herbals and jadi booty, which we can say herbal. So that is there. तो अगर हम लोग ये चीजों को सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, मतलब हम लोग इंडियन वैल्यूज को रिस्पेक्ट कर रहे हैं. तो सच काइंड ऑफ एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स ऑलवेज create respect for the Indian values. So support to Ayurvedas and herbal like a Himalaya advertisement, or Patanjali ka Ramdev Baba ka advertisement. So all these are supporting here Ayurvedas and herbal, and that is what here it's provide one support to our Indian values and culture. Then we have to see here another this advertisement which has shown here the passive role of women. Women now no more behind of the men, and she is also equal person as good as men. While they have shown here that different managers in a similar position of big industry